Hi guys, hello, hello. Oh, my feet just touched the tripod. Oh. Okay, hi guys. So like I said to you in the shorts video when I did a little intro, we're gonna go into this Bath and Body haul. Ugh, it's this box here. Oh gosh. Oh wow. And this box here. So we have quite a bit of stuff to go through. I'm hoping that I can make this video as short and sweet as possible. Hopefully it does not go too long. But guys, normally when I do the stuff on Bath and Body, as you all know, there is the semi-annual sale that normally happens in December and June. But the December sale normally has a lot of the Christmas, winter stuff that's on sale that I don't normally like. But before the sale, there is always I think a $3.95 sale on all body care. So I normally look out for that sale in order to buy the hand lotions, mists, body wash. And there is normally the $3.95 hand soap sale. Oh, I think the body care is $4.95 and the hand soap is $3.95 or $2.95. I can't remember, but there is normally the hand soap sale and the sanitizer sale. That the sanitizers are normally $1 for the pocket sanitizers. So I normally go all out and buy stuff for the year. So this is the 2025-2026 Bath and Body haul. So let's do this. So I got a lot of the body washes from the men because this is one of the only brands that my son uses that does not itch his skin. So that's what we normally get. So I got, this is one of the scents that we really love, the Noir. I think I got two of this one, yes, because I think I had a few of them there already. So that's that. I got this Whiskey Reserve, and there's the bourbon. This one smells really good as well. And then I got, this After Dark. I think I normally get about 2 or 3 of those. Yeah, because this one smells really good. So what I have done over the years when I have ordered a few of them, the scents that are normally really nice, I just buy them and buy more of them than I do of the others. This mahogany teakwood is really nice as well, so I keep buying it every time I do the purchase. This one is new, Adrenaline. I saw it and it looked quite interesting based on the scent, so I figured I would try it. I'm not sure why I did not put on my glasses because I'm not seeing anything on this, but let me see if it can capture in the camera so that I can mention it while I'm doing the editing of this video. But I decided to try it because, you know, it looked interesting, so I wanted to try the scent to see what it was like. And this is another one of the bourbon that I got. And yeah, let me see. Oh, and I got this Vanilla Noir. This smells divine. This is like really, really amazing, guys. If you're watching and you want to get your guy a nice little body wash, this one is one of those to go with. This one or the After Dark or the Noir. Those are my top 3 men body washes on Bath and Body right now. So yeah, and I think it's because I'm just a sucker for everything vanilla. So then it's like vanilla noir is the noir and the vanilla mixed together, so it kind of just like, yeah. All right, so this was it for the men. I got 2 of the body mists. This Viva Vanilla, because it's like one of my all-time faves and the one that I had was running low, so I had to replace it. And I decided to try this Vanilla Cafe. It's really strong on coffee, but it has that nice little vanilla scent that's really, really nice. So I really like that. I also got this lotion. I think this is the only lotion that I got because there's a lotion sale that they normally have. Actually, I just purchased some lotion. So when they get here, I will do a separate haul for that because I just purchased a few other things. Yeah. But this is the Vanilla Cafe. If you all can't already tell, I love vanilla. I think it's one of my favorite scents. So I got just this one lotion and I got the body wash in it as well because I got the mist, the lotion and the body wash because I wanted to try it as a set to see how it is and to see if I really like it. So I'm actually looking forward to getting to try it. One of the things that I can't do because they're you know, they're wrapped. I don't want to open it just to do the scent, so as time goes by, I can maybe do like my all-time favorite Bath and Body Works scents that you all, you know, that you all can see. This is one of my all-time favorites, I will tell you that. This is the body wash. I'm going now into the body washes that I got for me and my daughter. This is one of my absolute faves, the lotion, the body wash, the mist. I just really, really love this. I love it. And then this is the other one. This one is really, really nice as well. I love this. And then I got the Pink Obsessed. I wanted to try this. I've been seeing a lot of really good reviews about this one, so I wanted to get it so that I could try. And I got the Forever Red. This one is really, really nice. I have this in the mist. I have the lotion as well from before, so I didn't have to buy one. But this is really, really a nice scent, so you can try this one as well. I got this Inner Angel. I've seen a lot of good reviews about this one, so I got it as well so that I could try. It's my first time getting that one. And the Platinum. I have this in the body mist, so I figured I was gonna try the wash because the body mist smells really, really nice. So we're gonna try this. And I normally like getting the aromatherapy line. This one, this lavender vanilla, let me tell you guys, this has been my favorite, one of my all-time favorites for a few years since I bought it the first time. When I am taking my shower at night, I use this, and then I follow with the lotion, and I have the pillow mist in that same scent that I put on my bed in the morning, and before I go to bed at night, I do it when I'm making my bed in the morning. I use it on my sheets, on my pillows, and before I go to sleep, when I take my shower, I use that, the lotion, and then the mist on the bed. Let me tell you, it's just so divine. I really, really like this. It's so calming and relaxing. The lavender comes through and just really calms you, puts you in that sleep mode, and the vanilla just comes through really nice. It just comes together so nice and just gives you this really, really beautiful and divine scent. So I really, really, really love this. And then I'm gonna try this one for the first time. This is a vanilla nutmeg. So this is the first time I'm gonna try this one. I felt like the scent sounded like it was interesting, so I said I would try. But guys, like I said, whenever I'm using them, I will do a video, like a follow-up video, maybe a little later on, so that I can give you all my all-time favorite Bath and Body scents, because they're sealed and I don't want to really open them right now. So let's go into the hand soaps and sanitizers. So let's see, the first one I pull out is this cinnamon spiced vanilla. Saw this one and figured this would be a really beautiful, lovely scent, so I figured, you know, why not take it to try, because it's vanilla, it's cinnamon, so yeah. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. And then there is the Almond Blossom. I love almond, and I had something almond, I think, sometime back, and it was really, really nice. So when I saw this scent, I figured, you know what, I have to have this. So I got this, and then I came across this Cranberry Eucalyptus. The Eucalyptus hand wash is one of the scents that I really like. I got 2 of them as well. It's one of the scents that I really, really like. So when I saw the cranberry, I figured it would have been a really good combination, because cranberry hand soaps normally smell really, really good. So I figured it would be a good scent to try. So I tried it, the Eucalyptus mint again. And one of my all-time faves, the Japanese Cherry Blossom. I already have I think 1 or 2 in the bathrooms, so I think I bought 3 of them. So you can only see 1, because like I said, I put some of things away. But I got this, the Japanese Cherry Blossom. That's one of my all-time favorite scents. That and the Eucalyptus Peppermint. There is the Black Cherry Merlot that I really, really like as well. So yeah, that's another one of the cinnamon spiced vanilla. And in the men's scents, I got 2 of the hand soaps. I got the Ocean and the Mahogany Thickwood. The Ocean smells really, really good. That's one of the other scents that I really like as well. And I got 2 of the foaming ones. My daughter actually wanted to try this Twisted Peppermint, and I got the Black Cherry Merlot. My daughter actually really loves this Black Cherry Merlot scent, and we get it in the pocket sanitizers all the time. So we got a few of these, the Black Cherry Merlot. Yeah, I think I got maybe about 3 or 4 of them. Yeah, got 4 of them in the cherry merlot, and then in the other I got twisted peppermints as well in the pocket sanitizers, and I got this the same cozy vanilla almond. I got 2 of these, and I got one of the fresh balsam in the pocket because I actually have been wanting to try this scent. Looks interesting. And for the pocket and for the men, I got this the ocean and the adrenaline one. And in the spray sanitizers, I got 2 of the ocean because I normally give this to my husband and he can go to his office. It smells really nice, so he can have in his office or in his vehicle that he can use. And then I got the, what's this one? The eucalyptus spearmint. This one smells really, really good, guys. This hand sanitizer smells really, really good. So this was basically it. Like I said, I don't want this video to be too long because it's a lot of stuff. It's quite a bit of stuff. So I didn't want this to be too long. But this was it. This was my haul. Look at this on the chair. It's crazy, I know. It's really, really crazy. But like I said, guys, I will go into doing my all-time favorite Bath and Body scents as a later video, like later on, so that I can share with you all. But guys, it's really good to be back. It's really good to be here recording a video. I am not promising so much for the hairstyles and the hair videos because it has been a little difficult styling my hair recently because I get so much pain here when I style my hair, depending on the style that I am putting in. So it has been a little difficult to do a lot of hairstyles. So I mostly have these buns when I am doing my hair, or I have like the mega twisted bun, or sometimes I try to put like just like the two buns, but then make it one to the back. So it's like you do like a middle part or a side part. It's like a really easy way to do a side part slow bun. So I will see you all in the next video, guys. Thank you all so much to all of you who stuck around while I wasn't here. Thank you all so much. Thank you all who continue to support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.